There's support growing for Chief Minister Siddaramaiah. Both sides now piling on the pressure, and how the breakfast meet doesn't change anything, and this is a clear indication of that. Siddaramaiah supporters are now performing a special puja for the Chief Minister. This is in Yadgir of Karnataka that this puja is being performed for Siddaramaiah to continue as Chief Minister. We've seen similar images happen yesterday as well, with DK supporters doing the exact same thing. But this right here is the crucial part, that you have pressure tactics by both sides. The High Command may say, bury your differences. The High Command may say, bury the hatchet, come together, go for those optics of holding your hands and say all is well. But this is the reality, viewers, that this kind of power games continue with factions being set up, with all these, pujas, havans and whatnot being done, and statements. Important statements coming in from both sides saying, we want DK Shivkumar to be Chief Minister, we want Siddaramaiah to continue as Chief Minister. And my suspicion is whether this breakfast meet is successful, and I can assure you that there will be that particular photo op of them holding their hands. Irrespective of that, in the next 1 hour, while the breakfast meet is even on, you're going to continue seeing these kind of images of pressure tactics, of pujas, of chants for CM and whatnot. It changes nothing on the ground except that it makes the High Command happy, which is what Siddaramaiah and DK Shivkumar want right now. Their bosses will be the ones who take the call. So when their bosses tell them, get together, shake hands, make up, they go ahead and do it. But their demands remain the same. Their ambitions remain the same. The fact that Siddaramaiah said exactly that yesterday. Siddaramaiah, in fact, in that statement, which we play out for you, we'll pull that out. Siddaramaiah said yesterday very clearly that, yes, the High Command has asked me to meet with DK Shivkumar, but I will remain the Chief Minister. Nothing changes on that front. And that's a very important message that's come in from the Karnataka CM. He's not backing down. Inviting DK Shivkumar for breakfast doesn't mean at any point he's willing to say, step back and say, look, DK Shivkumar can be made the Chief Minister. Absolutely not. He is a veteran administrator. He is also a masterful politician. And that's what makes the difference here. That Siddaramaiah will say, I'll do what the High Command wants. I will go ahead and invite DK Shivkumar for breakfast. But it doesn't change the fact that I want to complete my full term as Chief Minister. Listen in to exactly what Siddaramaiah said last night.
It's only a breakfast meeting.
So, but what is the High Command said to you so far?
I do not know. High Command told me, and High Command told Mr. DK Shivkumar also that we should meet and discuss.
Right. But all things amicable between you both?
But my stand is, whatever High Command says, I will go by it.
All right, sir.
Okay, let me bring in Sagai Raj for more details on this. Sagai, let's break it down for our viewers. What does this breakfast meet actually do besides the optics? Is there going to be any tangible takeaway really? Does it change anything at all in this Game of Thrones that we've been talking about?
Definitely not. It is an open secret that this particular meeting is just an optics, it's just a photo op, and probably DK Shivkumar will talk to him, stating that the promises that was been made in the year 2023, stating that you will resign after 2.5 years. He will request him that whatever the transition happens, and you should allow to happen smoothly and without any kind of hurdle for him. And as Nagarjun was mentioning earlier, that he might also give offers stating that so many people will be accommodated from your camp. And there might be also caste calculation which will be done, and he will say that probably he might go ahead and allow 1 or 2 deputy chief minister who can depute him, and he can be the chief minister, and also his camp will be accommodated as a KPCC president. So there will be a lot of negotiation which will happen on dining table when they are having breakfast, and we need to wait and watch how Siddaramaiah is going to respond. So he has categorically mentioned yesterday, stating that this particular breakfast meeting is happening because High Command have instructed them. It is not on voluntary basis. They didn't invite him to have breakfast. It is because the High Command have asked them, stating that this is not the culture of Congress. You should not try to take jibe at each other and try to bring a photo off to the media to ensure that you guys are at peace and you don't have any kind of differences between you. So it is just a photo off which will be done here in Chief Minister's office, and thereafter, if at all, if they get a call, they will go to Delhi. And what we get to learn learned from DCM offices, he might leave this afternoon to Delhi. He will be holding a meeting on Mekadatu. It is on a pretext of holding a Mekadatu meeting, but everybody is well aware that what is happening behind the scenes in this particular travel to Delhi.
He says, I have a lot of business, a lot of work in Delhi.